I don't want to go in a discussion because of the previous, let's say, accountant and administrator. They did their job, but they did that on a certain way, and it was not in het besluitbegroten in de BBV-BES regelgeving. So we need to make that step also as a financial department. And that is with a lot of regulations and steps, and we just picked that up. And that took also a kind of time. So last year the team did it by themselves. It was a big step from going from, let's say, a way of budgeting and the jaarrekening and the and the implementation report to the new way of reporting. And the young team did that, and did that very well. And I did that in my said that in my statement as well. Are we there yet? No, there are still points to improve. And the CFT is looking with us, and they are critical. But I saw it became to my attention that the headline of het dossier Koninkrijksrelaties this morning, they picked up the headline that we are still having the oordeelonthouding. And just a step back, the oordeelonthouding is based because one of the major points is the AOIC, so that we have an intern control instrument to look to our finances, and you can implement it, but you have to make let's say work for a year, sometimes 2 years, to approve that you're in control on that. So yes, I get your feedback, I get it from your position, and if I'm using the word backlog, then I'm not doing any right to the team, because I know I can get that you are just, let's say, impatient about it, but if I'm honest and I'm looking at the steps that we make, we're coming from far. In 15 months we have 4 annual reports just finished. We're making steps in het financial verbeterplan. I think it is a pity, and we can do that we, let's say, if you don't have insight in that, and I know that, let's say, that there are limitations in your authority, but I'm always willing to give an explanation on that if that gives more insight.